Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Avery, and today I'm going to do a fidget trading and my fidget talking, which it's just actually me talking, so I don't know how to make it talk to TikTok, so that's what I'm going to do right now on YouTube. It's going to be a little hard because my sheets are messed up, but it's fine. Let's get this video started. So let me get all my fidgets out, and yeah. And by the way, I lost my monkey noodle. But let's get this video started. So this is my first fidget. It's called water squishy. So yeah, this is my water squishy. Okay, and then I got the brat pop it. Then I got probably trade. And will not trade. So let's get this video started. This is for you guys. Okay. Okay, there we go. So let's get this set up. So and water squishy right there. Okay, so now water squishy's talking. I really heard that she's gonna trade today. Like, she trades every day. Like, and then Papa talks. Papa, what do you have to say? Well, I think water squishy is gonna get traded because she barely uses water squishy. So that's who I think is going to get traded. Infinity Cube. Well, I really hope no one kind of gets traded because all these are my friends, but I really think Snake is going to get traded. Sorry, Snake. Whatever. I'm a snake, but I'm not a type of noob. Like, but I really think Poppet's gonna get traded because Poppet is a little brat. Oh, guys, she's coming. Close his eyes, close his eyes, close his eyes, close his eyes. I think I'm gonna trade Poppet. I'm done with her. Trading Poppet. And I get squishy ball. Squish ball. And then I get squish ball. Oh, let's add her right here. Hi. My name's Squishball. What's your guys' names? Jeez, you don't have to be so rude. But my name's Infinity Cube. Yeah, I agree with Infinity Cube. My name's Snake. I'm a water squishy. I really don't care. I'm so much cooler than all you guys. Whispers to Infinity Cube. I really think Papa is so much nicer to us. Tell Water Squishy. Infinity Cube said, the Squishy is so much meaner than Papa. I agree. Do you guys hear that? What? She's coming! Close his eyes, close his eyes, close his eyes, close his eyes. I really think I'm gonna trade Snake. It's so lame. Okay, Hi! My name is Water Squishy. What's your guys's? My name's Infinity Cube. My name's Squishy. My name is just a stress ball. And don't ask me any more questions. What's her problem? I don't know. She came like that. I really hope she gets traded. Guys, she's coming. Close eyes, close eyes, close eyes, close eyes. I really think I'm going to trade. Who should I trade? I'm going to trade Squishy Ball. I'm going to trade Squishy Ball. Poppet's back! Poppet! Oh, whatever. It's not like I was gone forever. Well, you were gone for quite a while. I'm kidding. You said that. Ugh. Now pop it. Ugh, whatever. How's the other ones? Well, water squishy. How's the other one's water squishy? Well, we just got water bottle squishy, but our stress ball that you just got traded for, she's a little brat. Really don't want her. I bet she's gonna come back. Like, she's way worse than you, Poppet. Yeah, she's so much worse than you, Poppet. Oh, well, okay, whatever. Guys, she's trading again. I just heard her. Again? Everybody close his eyes. I think I'm gonna trade Infinity Cube. No. I'm gonna trade Water Squishy for this. Oh, the Squishy. A squishy. Hey guys, who's this loser? My name's Poppet, and you don't have to call me and my friends losers, because you know what? You're a loser. Bah! Ow! Well, that's what you get. I'll be back, guys. Oh. I think I'm going to trade this balls. Not that really exciting. So I'm going to trade for... Oh, we got a whole group back. Oh, yeah, we did. Oh, guys, I heard that she's trading again today. What? Guys, she's coming. Close his eyes. Okay. It's easy. You can just put these back right back. There we go. I think I'm gonna trade Water Squishy. Let's see. Oh, I'm trading for a Marble Mash. Oh. No, I heard that Marble Mashes are so whatever. Well, thanks for watching my YouTube video today. I really hope you enjoyed it. Bye!